Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today is the 5th of May and we are really entering our winter season. Over the past couple of weeks we have received a ton of rain, and although everything still seems quite lush and green, finally the trees started showing their autumn colors and dropping its leaves. And that is also an exciting part of the year. Everything needs its seasons. I mean, look how beautiful that is. So with our summer veggies coming to an end, you can see the tomatoes in the back there. And with our winter veggies coming along quite awesome, we are officially entering our garden rest period, or the resting season for our garden, or at least most of it. Just have a look at this. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, aren't you just ready for a wonderful winter stew? So with our first frost expected later this month, probably the last month of May usually, well, basically 80% of the Gauteng province will have experienced their frost by the 1st of June. That makes it the perfect time now to start winterizing our garden, and it will be just in time. I am currently awaiting my latest Temu order to be delivered today, and that Temu order is packed with garden essentials to help me protect my plants and prepare my gardens during the cold months. Yeah, so I'm eagerly awaiting it. I know I got a message it is out for delivery from the courier company, and I'm eagerly awaiting the delivery, and once it arrives we will unbox it together and see what came with this garden haul. Hello and welcome to One Step at a Time Farmstead. Join our family on our journey as we build a like-minded community while living life on our terms in accordance with our beliefs, our convictions, our desires, and above all, our faith in God and our God-given calling.
We promote a self-sufficient, self-sustaining lifestyle, especially with regard to fresh produce and fresh meat and the preservation thereof.
It is our objective to prove that this self-sufficient, sustainable, healthy, happy, and fulfilling lifestyle is possible, even in an urban setting, while adhering to various laws, rules, and regulations of our government.
Our ultimate vision and goal are to obtain and establish functional and profitable farm enterprises where we produce wholesome foods grown and raised according to our conviction in the way that God intended. In other words, organic, natural, chemical-free.
Furthermore, it is our aim to teach and train in the various principles of self-sufficiency, self-reliance, and food security. We foresee hosting, supporting, and sponsoring masterclass training workshops in accordance to our call to the ministry of God.
With your support, we know we can achieve these goals.
They're finally here.
After 3 days.
What is up?
Hi, tired but
Ja, maar gelukkig want we doen you.
Thank you.
Good. Okay, so this is my wife's, this is mine.
Yours is not over to the
Yeah, so let's go unbox. Oh well, I guess I'll have to wait for my wife. But let's unbox and yeah.
and make like if we see nothing.
So the package is here from Temu, and let's see if everything inside live up to the expectations.
Dit is goed voor jou. What's that?
We will work through everything one at a time. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this package is a bit
Flattened.
manhandled. And I hope everything is fine on the inside, but we'll see.
It's Christmas bells.